You're like, okay, all of that is cool, Doc T. I got it. So what do I need to do? Okay, so now you understand the why. Let me show you the what. And here's what building a wellness business like with me actually looks like step by step. Got it? One. Step number one. You start with the products. This is not optional. Like, it's not optional, it's foundational. You cannot authentically recommend what you haven't experienced. Every person, and I mean every person in my community, starts with their own wellness journey. And the good news is, these are products you're going to use anyway. Like, this is your own health investment. Step two, tell your story. That's not a sales pitch, that's not a script. Just what changed for you when you started using the products. Your story is your most powerful marketing tool. No one can argue with your experience. Step three, you use a system. I'm not asking you to figure this out all by yourself. I have a system, a community built specifically for busy professionals. You get the support, you get the content, you get the training, and you get a step by step path. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. Step number four, you duplicate. This is where the leverage comes in. As you bring others into the wellness journey, whether as customers who simply love the products or as business builders who want what you have, your income continues to grow in a way that isn't tied one to one to your hours. That is the system. Let me tell you what it does not look like. It doesn't look like quitting your job. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to hound your family and your friends. You don't need to be on social media 24/7. You don't need a huge following or be an influencer or even have an email list to start with. What this does look like and what you do need is a genuine belief in health and wellness. Okay? You need a willingness to be consistent for the next 6 to 12 months. You need an openness to learning a new skill set and a mentor and a community who will support you, which is exactly what I offer. That is why I created the Rise and Rain Collective Facebook group. Okay?